Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is the gaming guy, and today's video is going to be an unboxing. The main point of it is that, great, cheers dad, not that I'm doing this in reverse, is to unbox a Night Summit. So yeah, that's the main point of this video. If I add anything else from Supreme week 18, if my item arrives, then I'll add that in. But yeah, the main point is to be unboxing a dead stock Night Summit, which is just insane. So yeah, hope you enjoy. See ya. Just to record, I won't show the address, but this arrived today. This right here, when it's unboxed, is a Night Summit, dead stock with its tags. So yeah, this is like £4,000 or more, maybe 5 or 6, because it's with tags. So yeah, we'll unbox it in a little bit.
Do you know what this is?
Yeah.
Hopefully, do you know what this is?
Yeah.
A Night Summit tag. Hopefully. Shall I open it?
Yeah. Don't show address.
This is a Supreme bag?
That's a good start, Dan.
Yeah, look, border control, I opened this bag.
Yeah, they have.
It's in there.
Oh, shit. Crisp.
Right, where's the fucking tag?
There's the hood.
Thank fuck. You wouldn't believe what a difference that makes to the price.
Seriously?
Having just M Mountain Black Medium.
It's crisp, Daniel.
I'll tell you what, it's flawless.
Well, it's meant to be dead stock, isn't it? Just rips it in half. Oh.
We made it. Bloody hell. How is this so... Literally, my other one had like all frays and...
Jesus.
They fold up so nicely. It's clean.
Clean.
A little bit on the H.
Yeah, I can see the frame. And the T's got a little bit, but...
Oh, what? We're missing a,
What's wrong?
Missing a thing.
Or what?
Look.
Did he not say that, clearly? Shit. Yeah, why would there only be one there? There should be 2. Well, that's a rip. It's a rip.
Fat L. What I could do...
Yeah.
If I take one off here, for example,
then
you're not going to see that.
You're going to message him straight away saying that there was one missing.
I paid $4,000 for this, $5,000 for this. It should be bloody all there. More than what some people pay for a bloody car.
But he didn't even tell you that, did he?
No.
Do you want me to get a crisp photo of my camera, my other camera? I'll go and get your little label.
And bake blanket.
Bake blanket label. Grab my other camera. Grail.
They clearly don't know what Supreme or North Face even is, the people.
Well, imagine if you get a customs officer that's hot on it.
That's what I mean. That's what I said to Robert. They probably have no idea.
Yeah. Clean. It's good. It's good. Oh, that's stupid dope.
Yeah, you can take the photo for me and then send it to me and I'll put it up.
Yeah, that concludes the unboxing. Jesus. Are you going to keep that now or sell it?
Yeah.
I thought you would have put it in one of the airtight bags. Dead stock with tag, that's of it.
Sick.
Okay, so to obviously carry on from the yesterday sort of footage that I had, I'm still waiting on my week 18 item to arrive. However, another item has arrived, which I believe should be a set of stickers. I've ordered quite a couple of bits and pieces, but I don't know when they're going to arrive. So yeah, let's just unpackage this. I believe this is just going to be a set of an amount of stickers. It says do not bend, so I don't want to break it. The guy's done a really decent job of packaging it up, to be honest, so props to them. Like, if they've sent stickers like this, that's amazing. Yeah, let's open it up. In my mind, this should just be like a group of sort of stickers. And yeah, it is. That is decent, jeez. Okay, so for like £12 or so, I believe it was, I bought 2 of the sticker packs of the one with the necklace on it, which, let alone sticker packs when they're opened, you know, they're worth less. 2 of them for like hardly anything basically. And then additionally these like skull pile pack as well, which I already have 2 of, but people sell these for about 12 or 15 pounds. So it's just nice to always top up on stickers, as well as 2 packs of the poppy seeds, you know. Like, people try to charge a massive premium for these things, and as soon as the person listed these up and I saw them, I just like went for them like straight on the dot and messaged them saying that I'd take them, because like literally like 11.50 for what, 11 stickers or so, 12 stickers or so, 11 stickers and 2 packs of the poppy seeds. That's not terrible, that's pretty decent in my mind. So yeah, we're just gonna wait on my swirlty to arrive and then finish off the video. So unfortunately my swirlty hasn't arrived. On the shipping it said out for delivery, however now it's reverted back to the whole like stay tuned for like updates. So I'll just have to wait for that to arrive and open it on another day. So yeah, we've only got the stickers to unbox today, or that we unboxed today, so yeah. If you enjoyed the video, like, be much appreciated. Other than that, I'll see you tomorrow for another video. Peace. Oh, God.